Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am a brace face. I have my braces, which is why I'm talking a little weird because it's all just so new to me. Yeah, I got my braces on Friday. Is now Monday, so it's been about 3 days since I had my braces. So far so good. No issues. I actually really like my braces, surprisingly. Yeah, so I just want to update you guys. I want to insert a picture of what my teeth look like before. Probably not the best picture, but that's all I have for now. If you go back to my old videos, you can see my teeth. Some people will look at me and be like, girl, you don't need braces. Why'd you get braces? Personally, I felt I needed them, but my teeth crooked, no. You guys see I have these, they're getting better already, these rabbit teeth right here, which come from my wisdom teeth pushing them up basically. So they actually look a lot better. Sorry, I'm looking over to the mirror. But they look a lot better than they did on Friday before I got the braces. Like, they're moving really quick. Could all be in my mind, but I can swear that these teeth were higher up before I got my braces, and it's only been about 3 days. So yeah, so I went on Friday, I got my braces. If you guys want the pricing, I will include that too. I'm very open and transparent. Yeah, why not? Why not? We're here. I'll tell you the pricing. So I do work, I do have insurance. So the total for my braces was $2,800. It was extra $300 because I did get the ceramic, I believe, on the top, or the clear, whatever you want to call them, on the top. Which are these ones. I will insert a better picture so you guys can see them, because I just think they look better. But for some reason, the dentist, they don't let you put these on the bottom, or I would have got them on the bottom. So total $2,800. My insurance paid $1,500. My insurance paid $1,500, which is amazing. Okay, I had to pay $250 up front, so I gave them $250, and then the remainder I'm going to pay over 18 months. Okay, enough with the billing. So no pain. People were like, oh, you know, it hurts, you know, the first couple of weeks or so, but you'll get over it. No pain. They don't hurt. The only thing is when I talk and when I try to eat, the wire does poke me in the cheeks a little bit, but it's not that bad. The only thing is I just feel like I can't chew. I haven't chewed anything since Friday, since before I got my braces. I've pretty much just been eating soft stuff. Like yesterday I had ramen. The day before that I had a noodle cup and biscuits. I had pancakes, like stuff like that, because chewing is really hard. How you guys doing? You guys let me know. But Tyler was telling me that I have to, like, basically, like, try to chew, so like get some gum and just try to chew so it could become more normal for me. But I took some gum yesterday, guys, and no lie to you not, I put it in my mouth and I just had it sitting there because chewing is just so hard. Yeah, so far so good. If any of you guys are getting braces, or if you have braces, let me know your experience down below. I do plan on getting on here every couple months and updating you guys. I have been taking pictures, so throughout the months I will, you know, compare the pictures and put them on the screens for you guys, so you guys can see how quickly my teeth are changing and just the difference. But I noticed a difference already. Again, it could all be in my mind, but so far so good. I can't believe I have braces. A couple people asked me why I didn't get SMILEDIRECTCLUB. I don't know much about it. Honestly, I didn't do any research or anything, but from what I do think I know, they mail you, they mail you something in the mail, you mail it back, and you start from there. Me, I just want a little bit more supervision, as far as me going to a dentist and them, you know, working with me through the process. I didn't want to be mailing stuff in, and, you know, I wanted to be under the supervision of a dentist. Okay, and not to mention my dentist is pretty cute. My orthodontist, he's pretty cute. But anyway, I wanted to be under the supervision of a dentist with this whole process. So that's why I didn't get SMILEDIRECTCLUB. And Invisalign's expensive. I don't know the pricing. She just told me that the down payment for Invisalign was like $500, and then who knows how much it would have been over the 18 months or however long I needed the Invisalign. So I'm just like, I don't need it, and I don't need something that I can pop in and out my mouth anyway, because I'm going to pop that thing out and forget to put it in, or if I don't want it in, I'm going to take it out. So at least with this, it's controlled. It is what it is. Yeah, you guys, so let me show you what the dentist gave me, and I'll show you guys a few things that I picked up myself to carry on with me for my braces. So talking to my friends, they all were saying, girl, you need to carry around a toothbrush. But for me, I just felt like I just, you know, the beginner stages. So I'm gonna go into this bag. I did get this bag from my dentist. It does have a few things in it already, so I will show you what's in the bag. So this is the toothbrush they gave me. It's wet because I just used it, but it has this little stick thing on the end, which is pretty cool. I wish I had one of these prior, but that's pretty much what this is, just a portable one. So yeah, you just take it and then you put it in there to brush in between. So I like this. I've been using this daily. This toothbrush is really soft, but I guess it needs to be soft. I don't know, but I've been using the toothbrush they gave me. So I have this. I don't carry the toothbrush around with me because there is a another one in here. So this is the other toothbrush. Let me open this. This is the toothbrush that I actually carry around with me. My dentist also gave me this. So it's just like, soft. So it's just like this. You know, you never know if I'm out and I'm feeling a little spicy and I want, you know, some nut butt cake or something. It's gonna be all in my braces. So I got my toothbrush. She also gave me one of these little mirror thing, like, yeah, to see what's going on in there, and you know, to get in the details. So I got one of those. She also gave me some floss. With the floss, she gave me this okay, you know, she also gave me this dental floss threaders, is what it says, and they look like this. And she told me to thread the, I don't know, she said tie a knot, and so you can stick this through the thread and then you can get the floss. Tyler said it's unnecessary, but I have that. And of course the floss. And she also gave me, these are like wax, I guess. So I haven't tried it yet, but it's for when you're getting poked in the cheeks and you're getting like those sores and stuff. You can put the wax on there, and she said that helps. So there is 3 of these. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, the other one's in here. And there was also like a I'll put it on the screen, like a brain fart. Like those little timers, like a little 2-minute timer with a little sand in it. Well, I can't think of the word, but I'll put it on the screen. You know what I'm talking about. There was one of those in there because she was like, you need to be brushing for 2 minutes, which I think is like pretty much everybody anyway. But I was like, I'm not carrying that around. I don't need that. So I ended up throwing that out. So that's pretty much all that came in this bag. I did go out and buy a toothpaste. I probably could have gotten a smaller one, but this one fit really thin and really nicely in here. So I picked this up from the dollar store. Just toothpaste, you never know. I could be out and someone might offer me some cake or something, and sometimes I just can't say no. And I know it's gonna be all in my braces. So I got some Colgate Teeth Cleansing Fresh Breath Icy Whitening Liquid Gel toothpaste. And also there is one I have, it came in a pack of 4. There's another one in my purse, but I picked these up from the dollar store, and these are pretty much the same thing as, you know, the thing on the back of my toothbrush. You just basically, you stick it in there and it's just getting these fine details. You know, you never know. Because I did notice, I don't know if it's making it, I don't know what the heck's going on, but lately a lot of foods are getting stuck here. So I got this from the dollar store, and it came in a pack of 4, and it's just really cute, and it's, you know, just throw it in the purse. Yeah, so this is gonna be like my quick on the go, need something quick to grab. And again, these were $1 for a pack of 4. Okay guys, so that's all I have for now as far as my braces. Guys, let me know down below what you guys think, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them below and let me know your experience with braces and how I can get over this whole chewing thing, because I'll tell you, I don't eat anything. Like, it's now 1 o'clock. I haven't ate anything yet because there's nothing here I can just gum real quick. So I'm probably gonna end up going and get me a tropical smoothie or something. Shoot, it might help me lose a little weight. I don't know. But yeah, let me know about the whole chewing thing because I can't chew. Oh, and she, I don't know if you can see, she put these blue things on the back of my teeth. Can you hear it? You probably can't see it. It's to help with my bite. That's also bothering me as far as chewing. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, any suggestions for my channel, please feel free to leave them down below. And of course, while you're here, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. It's like when I talk, I gotta like I gotta like put them back. You know how like my grandma used to take her dentures out? That's how I feel like when I talk, they're like slicking out of my mouth, and then when I'm done, I gotta put them back in. It's the weirdest thing ever.